ग्लोबल स्पोकन इंग्लिश फर्राटेदार अंग्रेजी बोलना सीखे मात्र 90 दिनों में।
Good morning. I would like to thank and respected teachers and my dear friends who give me chance in front of you. I go to tell about my one friend, and my one friend is the very rascal, and one day I sleep, and after that he is the capture in my pictures, and now status in WhatsApp is the date in life. My one friend, now my uncle is the call him. You know what happened and how?
What is happening there?
तुम्हें क्या हो गया?
What happened with you?
What happened with you? And my friend is the laughing, and all friend is the party and give me party, and you dead, and you now just you born and new life. And new life. I do not name is my friend, but he's the very rascal, and my all friend rascal is the very rascal, my friend. Now today is the friendship. Now call him in video call, and now what do you ask in this time? I give him Husi. Why? And I learning from English. Why? You are learning from English, but I do not. Is the fashion in English and language is English. But my friend is the friend talk to me. Is not your English is the how to say the Rashtriya Bhasha. National language. And my friend talk to me is not your national language is the English. Your national language is the Hindi. Now you prestige in talk to Hindi and now English. But I tell about no bro. And after some time is the I think now and national language is English, but international is language. Now how to say my friend talk to me, now is the Englishman हम पे राज करके
Laughing at me.
now and me, but is the English English is common, and now I laughing in Englishman, but in the common. After that, and sometime call me in video call my friend. After that, and talk to me and each other, and my all
Mention
friend.
that you are doing the dishes, you are washing the utensils. Mention that right?
No, in the personal matter, sir. Not in other people. And today friendship day, but my all friend video call yesterday friendship day. My all friend call video call, and now my one friend is thinking about, and now you Bhusi in nowadays. Yeah, I come Bhusi in and only enjoy in. Only enjoy in this time. You are not learning English. I go to tell about your uncle. He is not learning English. He is the already is the enjoy in life, but he is the coming home, and after he is the jealous. Thanks for listening.
बहन भाइयों, अंग्रेजी की बढ़ती हुई जरूरतों को देखकर उसे नजरअंदाज नहीं किया जा सकता। अगर आप अच्छी नौकरी करना चाहते हैं या आप किसी इंटरव्यू में जाना चाहते हैं तो बगैर इंग्लिश के ये संभव नहीं है। तो बहन भाइयों, देर किस बात की, नए बैच के लिए एडमिशन ओपन हो चुका है। अगर आप अपना उज्जवल भविष्य बनाना चाहते हैं तो इंग्लिश स्पीकिंग के लिए आप आज ही आइए, कल पर मत डालिए। हमारा पता है
ग्लोबल स्पोकन इंग्लिश फर्राटेदार अंग्रेजी बोलना सीखे मात्र 90 दिनों में। हमारे ब्रांच है सर्वोदय इंटर कॉलेज के सामने, मछवारा मोड़, घोसी, जिला मऊ। हमारी दूसरी ब्रांच है मधुबन रोड, पुराना नवजीवन हॉस्पिटल के बगल में, घोसी, जिला मऊ। हमारी तीसरी ब्रांच है HDFC बैंक के